Hello everyone, DJ 𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗀 here. So, I kept my alloy. It's a diamond cut. I've kept it before and I've repaired it, and I'm going to do a video now that's going to show you how you can do it. I'm going to show you the tools and everything you need to do. Most important thing is you need to be very patient when repairing the alloy. You need to be very, very patient. So, let's show it to you now. So let's have a look at the damage. You can see it's right here all the way from the top. Alright, we're going to go all the way downward, all the way to the bottom. And also at the back. And then you can see it also, that's the other bit at the bottom. It's been scruffed. Yeah, so that's it. You can see how nasty that is. Yeah, you can see it. Very, very nasty. Very, very nasty. Alright, now let's get down to the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a wet and dry paper, 800. This is what you need to file down everything when you're done. Emery cloth assorted. It contains one fine, one medium, and one coarse. Yes. You need this lacquer, alloy wheel lacquer, right? You need water in a spray can that you can spray, and you need anything that you can use to hold the cloths you're going to use to file down, right? So the process is you're going to file this down. After filing this down, you clean it up, and after cleaning it up, then you spray the lacquer. So we're going to get this started now. One thing you need to notice is this: the emery clothes are sorted. The first one you're going to use cannot be used wet. You need to use it dry. All right, so that's what you're going to use to file everything down, to get everything smoothed. Now the wet and dry paper, this one you'll be spraying water with. So the first one, no water. This one, water. So let's get down to this. So the one I'm picking up now is the medium, the one medium from the emery clothes assorted. I'm going to do this part, then I'm going to zoom in, and then you see the bottom part. So I'm going to do it from afar now so you can see it. You can see what I'm doing, just taking a little bit. All right, just a little bit, put it on this. All right, and then I can use it to file it, just to hold it. So you really don't, if you don't want to use anything, you can use this alone, but to get it good, smooth, don't worry yourself too much if you're filing away. Just concentrate on this area and go in one motion. Now it's getting smooth already. So now let's get the block off and just this alone. So now I've used the medium to file it down a little. Next thing I'm going to do, I've taken the other one, the one cross, all right, and then just holding it. Remember, it's rough, it's more rough than the medium. So now I'm going to zoom in, and then you see it more closely. All right, so I'm going to do a close shot now so you can see. I'm going to file away. This gives you a better view of what I'm doing. So yeah, we're taking away the top layer more and more. So we're still using the coarse and the medium. That's, you're alternating between them. This is the medium now. No water. Not a single drop of water at all. Yeah, I'm going to zoom out now. You can see how smooth it is. It doesn't even look as if it's been kept. Yeah, and this is without the lacquer. No lacquer yet. We've not added the lacquer. So yeah, just keep going. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So now I'm going to wipe it down. You see. Get a dry cloth also to clean it so you can see what you're doing. Alright, so we got a dry cloth. Wiping it down so we can see what we're doing. Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is gonna use a phone camera to record this. This is the video from the phone camera. You can see what we've smoothened out. Yeah, let's go close to it. You can see all what we've done. Yeah, we're gonna smoothen it some more, but yeah, that's it all the way. Yeah, with the phone camera. Okay, so next one we're gonna use, this is the part of water and wet and dry paper. How do you do this? You're gonna spray and then you wipe down. Yeah? You lavish it with water, lots of water. So see, yeah, you can see what I'm doing. Let me take this camera backwards. Spray and rub. You can see I keep spraying the water. I'm not even slowing down at all. Don't even make the mistake. Yeah, I was slowing down the water. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna wipe it. Take a look. We still got some little tiny marks here that I want to get rid of. Yeah. And then we're gonna work on that. So remember, no water. This is the quartz one, yeah. After this, I'm going to do the back wheel. I'm not going to show the video of the back wheel because, as you know, a wheel is a wheel. But yeah, let's keep watching this. So yeah, it's all about patience. You got to be very, very patient, yeah. But now, to be honest, you can't even see any mark now. I'm not bothering again here. I don't want to take away anything from here. I'm just dealing with the part now. But you can see back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So yes, this is good. I'm happy. Saved myself some money. Did it myself again. What next? Remember, water and this. Lavish, spray and wipe, yeah? So, as much water as possible. Alright, this is super smooth. I'm gonna wipe it down now. And then I'm gonna record it also with the phone camera so you can see. I can come more closer to it. You can see what we've done. This is what we've done all the repair. Very smooth. Yeah? All the way down there. Super smooth. That's it. So, next stage, we need to spray the alloy wheel lacquer onto it. It's usually advisable to spray this at warm temperature, like 20 degrees and above. But what about if you're in winter, and there's no sunlight? What would you do? So what I do is I put this in warm water, very hot water, not warm water. I boil water to 100 degrees, dump this in it, shake it very well, and then spray it. And then I wait 12 hours. So when I spray it now, I'm not going to spray it again until tomorrow evening. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to boil water, dump this in it, wait for it to warm up, and then spray it. So let's get the hot boiling water. So this is what I mean. You drop the alloy wheel lacquer into warm water. You can see boiling water. So let's just leave this for a while and then yeah, we're good to go. Alright, so it's gotten dark now. I've had some more lighting. Now while the lacquer paint is heating up in the warm water, what you need to do is get any cards, any set of cards you can get. Yeah, any cards you can get. Just put them in here because remember you're gonna spray all the way at this side, and you don't want a situation where the lacquer itself goes on the wheels. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to cover all the area we don't want the lacquer to land on with tape. As much tape as you can, paper tape, anything, just protect all those areas. Time to spray. So how am I going to spray this stuff? Just a quarter length away from the alloy wheel. I'm going to go this way, this way, that way. Don't let it drip, yeah? Do not let it drip. So just go this motion, this motion, this motion, this motion. And then you wait for 12 hours, and then you do another one again. 12 hours between each coat, all right? So let's get this done. So, that's the lacquer can. It's warm to the touch. Shake, 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 shake. You need to shake it for about 2 minutes. And then spray. You can see what I'm doing, yeah? You see that motion? It's not gonna drip. Don't let it drip, yeah? And that's it. Let it dry. 12 hours. You're back again. So I've just decided to make a quick video of the repair before I post the video on my YouTube channel. But you can see this was where I did all the works. Everything looks smooth and very good. I've not done the second coat for the lacquer. That's going to be done later on this evening for the 12 hours. But yeah, this is a close shot. You wouldn't even know that alloy wheel has been cleared at all. And if you look at the back wheel, that is some wax also on the back wheel also. You can see it. It looks very, very good. Alright, that's it. It's all done. It's all sorted. The kerbing, all the shenanigans on the wheel has been cleared. So, remember the whole process. You need to be very patient. Get all the materials. Use the rough one. Use the medium one. And then, spray with water. Use the wet and dry. Spray, rub, spray and rub. and then heat up your lacquer if you need to, if it's not warm enough. Put the cards all around it and then spray it in one motion. 12 hours later, that's the important part, 12 hours later you're going to come back again and then spray it. So yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Remember to leave a comment below. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below. And also, most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos and tips. So yes, this is DJ 𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵. You know how we do. You know how we do. Signing out.